I might be a hoarder, so this is healthy for me. I'm actually surprised at how relatively painless this was. And I still have 3 drawers for miscellaneous stuff. All right, so the goal today is to fill up every single one of these. What I've done is custom made mats. This is actually like a shitty carpet that you get from like a Home Depot. It's got rubber on the bottom and felt on the top, which is perfect because it won't slide inside of here and it'll keep everything from getting scratched up.
Luxury is a state of mind. True wealth is what you find. Don't just watch the life I live. Build a life you have.
Now, during my segregating series of this video, I put all of my actual hand tools into one bin, and now I need to separate them all, which is gonna suck ass, but it'll pay off in the end. Now, there's no point in separating in a box hammers and stuff, but having these little mini compartments so that I can do Allen wrenches, gonna be a great idea. Screwdrivers. As you can see, I already tried to do this before, but then I had to repaint the garage and pack everything up. It was a pain in the ass. Screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, other shit.
You see the gold, I see the sacrifice. Open the doors. SBK.
And that's how easy it is to separate everything. Now I have hammers, saws, measuring tools, knives, staple guns, cutters, punch tools, pens, scrapers, screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, adjustable wrenches, ratcheting wrenches and non-ratcheting wrenches, pliers and shit, socket attachments, and sealed product. Now I just gotta figure out how to label this shit. I'm assuming that the most used tools are gonna go in the top shelf, like screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. So it's not gonna be exact because keeping a clean and tidy, exact garage is near impossible. So what I'm probably just gonna do is small ones to big ones in a general consensus.
Welcome to my life, the life. I survived the strife, the night. Cutting like a knife, so bright. Winning every fight, inside. Welcome to my zone, built this on my own, alone. King without a phone, unknown. Seas that I have sown, have grown. Look, polished floors of black and white, working through the stack all night. Never looking back in flight. Future is a track of might. Chains are heavy, gold on chest. Never taking hold of rest. Stories to be told the best. Strong and very bold. The quest they talk, I do. I'm fresh and new.
I might be a hoarder, so this is healthy for me. This is a key to a trailer hitch. It was attached to the magnetic end of this. I would have never found this thing. I was looking for it like 6 months ago when I sold my car. So sorry to the new owner of my old car. I'm actually surprised at how relatively painless this was. And I still have 3 drawers for miscellaneous stuff, which I'll probably find in the bins that I organized over there. But overall, you guys saw the time lapse of me separating everything. Went relatively quickly. This right here was about 45 minutes worth of work. And now I'm organized. Now, the reason I had to redo this all over again, because as you can see, I was organized. These are all my gardening things. But I had already moved into this garage prior to spending more time in it. And as you can see, it used to be this like bird poop yellow. And so what I did was I took all of the stuff out of the garage into a container outside, cleaned and painted it, put in a security system, then moved all of these IKEA shelves from the house into the garage for organization. And it was midwinter, so I couldn't do anything. Now that it's summer, I have time to redo all this so that I can finally finish the Evo. I suck at staying organized, so if you guys have any hacks, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna eat them up. I will take any advice that I can get. Hopefully this video motivated you to organize your garage. We'll see you in the next one.